Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Rock Creek, a small and peaceful town in southern British Columbia. It sits along the Kettle River, about halfway between Osoyoos and Grand Forks, just off the Crow's Nest Highway. This area is part of the Boundary Country, known for its scenic valleys, rolling hills, and quiet rural life. Rock Creek got its name from the rocky creek that runs through the area. It became known in the early 1860s during the gold rush, when prospectors discovered gold in the nearby creek beds. A short-lived gold boom brought in many people, but the rush soon faded and the town returned to a slower pace. Today, Rock Creek is mostly a farming and ranching community. It's also a popular stop for travelers, offering campgrounds, fishing, hiking, and beautiful views of the surrounding countryside. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Rock Creek, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.